Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this shower caddy we got on Amazon. It's been a few months now and we absolutely love it. In today's video, I am going to explain everything you need to know about this shower caddy, including the one important thing everyone should know before buying it. So as you can see, this whole set includes 2 shower caddies. You can see right here on the left. This is where we put our shampoos, conditioner, face wash, body wash. You can fit a lot of things. It also comes with 2 soap holders. Right here you can see, and 1 toothbrush holder. We don't usually brush our teeth in the bathroom, so I'm just using it to hold my face wash that I use every day when I shower. So we chose the color black, as you can see, because it matches with the rest of our bathroom. The material is amazing. This is stainless steel, and this is waterproof, rust proof. We haven't had any problems with rust. And it's also scratch resistant. Let me get a close-up right here. As you can see, it looks brand new. We haven't had any problems with scratches. And like I said, we've had this for a while now, and yeah, it's been holding up pretty well. The one thing we really like about the shower caddies is the stability that it has. These adhesives right here on the back hold so much weight. We have 2 big shampoo and conditioner from Tresemme. We have other shampoos right here, stuff on the top, and it's been holding up so well. And you don't have to worry about drooling on the tiles because these adhesives hold really, really well. I'll show you right now our bathroom, how organized it looks. Before we had all of this just sitting right here. It was a mess. And it looks so much better now. All right, so now let's talk about the one important thing I said in the beginning. I think you guys should know before you buy this. I saw a lot of people asking if the adhesives actually hold onto the tile, your bathroom wall, and yes, they are so strong. When you apply them on your wall, you will see how great the adhesives are, and like I said, they can hold so much weight. It's crazy. I never thought that I would find adhesives like this. It's insane. So yeah, like I said, we really like this, and you guys should definitely give this a try.